Hello guys, welcome back to 4x4 Maniacal. Today I'm going to talk in this video about 5 best shock absorbers for Jeep Grand Cherokee that you should buy. Let's get started. First up is the Bilstein B8 5100. Are you a moderate off-road driver and have a lifted Jeep? Check out the Bilstein 5100. These are awesome shock absorbers for the money that work best on trails, mountains, rocks, in addition to giving you a good ride on the highway. These shock absorbers feature a zinc-plated monotube that works best at lower speeds on rough terrains. They work using the monotube gas pressure technology. A 46mm piston that has a self-adjusting disc valving is used to reduce bounce on these terrains. Additionally, they provide amazing control off-road. Next in line is the Rancho RS 5000X. These shock absorbers from Rancho are almost similar to factory shocks. They have a 2.25-inch body with a 1.375-inch internal piston. They provide quality dampening for a smoother ride even on rough terrains. These shocks are super strong and are used on Jeeps and trucks for moderate terrains. The third type of shock absorber is the Fox 2.0 Performance Reservoir Shock. Looking for superior next-level dampening on rough off-road terrains? The Fox Performance 2.0 features a monotube design with an internal piston that regulates damping. The nitrogen gas charge has a high psi, which makes the Fox 2 firmer because of the internal shock pressure that affects damping and valving for premium dampening. Too much firmness can feel uncomfortable for some people. However, its aluminium construction is not only lightweight, but it also gives better heat distribution. Fourth up is the KYB XLG front and rear shock set. Well known for its replacement spare parts, the KYB company has another awesome option to boot. The XLG shock absorbers are some of the best for someone looking for exact factory replacements. They are best for trucks and Jeeps. This KYB package comes with a set of 4. The shock absorbers are calibrated in accordance with OE specifications. They have a twin tube design and are made from high quality material. Nitrogen gas is used to charge it up for greater performance. Last but not least is the Maxorber Full Set Shock Struts Absorber Kit. In case you are interested in a full set of shock absorbers that come for reasonable prices, then Maxorber has a set on offer. I must say that these shocks are a little more expensive when compared to Sensen, but the difference in price pays off. To begin with, the piston rod is chrome coated and that acts as an anti-rust feature. Apart from that, the Japanese oil seals ensure that your ride is as quiet as possible and there is no annoying squeaking coming from the shocks. Besides, the oil seals are also designed to reduce friction between the rod and the seal so that there is no premature wear possible. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below.